So what is Bark app? So this is interesting app with helping you out with parental controls, which helps parents to do like content monitoring for all your kids' devices. So you can track location, you can monitor content, manage screen time, get alerts 24/7, block websites for your kids. So if you're concerned that your kid or teenager literally spends all the day on the phone, you have no idea what's going on there, or you just want to keep better track of digital life of your teenager, this is the app you just might consider. This is one of the top apps in this category, kind of like leader markets. So what you can do, like you can just monitor text, social media, search, and more. Bark app scans your child's text messages, 30 plus social media apps, web browsers, emails, and other online activity, keeping you informed and your child protected. Uh, so AI-powered safety alerts in over 45 categories. Bark goes beyond device mirroring, using advanced AI to scan text, social media, images, videos, and audio for threats like cyberbullying, pornography, ensuring unparalleled safety for your child. Personalized insights. So you can also see and manage screen time for your kids. You can create custom schedules for app use or pause the internet altogether to create healthy boundaries. You can block specific websites and apps. Then you can just track location. And yep, then there are products. You can have Bark phone, $39 per month. Get the phone with custom controls and Bark monitoring built in. So yep, how much does it cost? So Bark Premium and Bark Junior, a single subscription, which costs $14 per month, so $99 a year. Bark Junior is cost $5 per month, $49. So it's a bit confusing, I must say, like what exactly is here. So here you can just go and try the Bark app. You can download it on the App Store. So here is Bark Parental Controls app, and then there is Bark Kids app. So this is the app, and then you can just tap to install it, Bark Parental Controls, and then just try out that app. Yes, as you can see, it's climbing quite high in the charts, and then. Then you can just start your free trial from this app. You can just create an account and start it out from here. So yep, as you can see, it's getting quite high in charts, 22,000 ratings. Past monitoring app I've tried, some people write, but some people write it's not working. Some teenagers are probably not happy because this app helps their parents to track everything. And some, as a teenager, like this app has destroyed my trust in my parents. I don't even want to tell anything because of this. So yeah. So yeah, that's just, of course, you just need to consider if you really want to use it for your kids, but that's just what it is.